From the previous video, I noticed that I found that model and I love it. And I learned something today too. Um, Apparently, and also to this model, I do love it. The Lord of the Rings, the Oleophunt or the Mel. I forgot what was the name of it, but it came out marvelous. But however, I learned something very interesting about this model. So from the other dragons, I thought there was like a whole issue about that one situation, and also with this elephant too as well. It had me realize about some of the situation about this resin printing. Now, these models are supposed to be hollowed out, and that's true. I got those hollowed out. I thought the color from the dark-ish was like the exact model for the inside, how the resin came out. I was like, okay, cool. It came out darker color than I expected. However, it did not. I did not notice that you had to have a hole to actually let go of the excess material out of the models. As you can see from the threes, the T-Rex was printed a long time ago, about a month. Like no, like about August, September, I think it was. But I did not know there was a model or there's resin inside there. Godzilla, it was printed full solid piece. I thought it was like hollow, but it wasn't hollowed. But yeah, but from the elephant, from the T-Rex, and the elephant from the Lord of the Rings, they all have the resin material. For example, this dragon, I did not know that was like an escape hole to actually release all the excess materials. And compared to the customer's order, I'm not sure if I can like ruined it for the customer's order. So that's one thing that might be a big issue with the holes inside there. But right now, I drilled all the holes onto it, very small. I can actually fix it right away, which is not a big deal. Or I can actually solidify, but I did look into the holes onto the elephant, not a big deal. That's one thing I did learn a lot right away. But there's another printing I'm going to print right now. Show you guys that one afterwards once it's completed. So, but yeah, I learned something else today. What do you know?
Sky blue dye. Yeah, I'm not into the whole dyeing of shit either. Ooh, can I get up here and look out into the wilderness? There's nothing up here. It's completely pointless. Look at all the fucking new quests I'm getting. I'm getting a lot of messages from Alvor. Or is it just the same one that hasn't been updating? Okay, let's look. Quests. Hide and seek, magical song, the she-ogre, restoring balance. The she-ogre, should we do that one? Rancher Bill at the local farm. Travel to the marsh residents and prepare to do battle with Stan against evil she-ogre. Yeah, we'll do that one. Yeah, that one seems fun. Because now I have Stan as a buddy. I can equip more people. Where's my... Oh, upgrade. Ooh! Funnel of Frost. Blast a row of enemies with freezing attack and removes beneficial stat effects. Kills enemies on a perfect success. I think I will... Oh, I need to do that with my upgrade. I'll upgrade it. Yeah. Where's my party? I have Jimmy and Stan now. Or not. Oh, because I have nobody yet. I have to equip them when I'm outside this place.